If you're seeing a marriage counselor, be very careful there as well. Good marriage counselors are worth their weight in gold. I know some, and I refer people to them if they live anywhere close to them, and these people are amazing and awesome. But be careful if you have a marriage counselor who evidences the fact that he or she is not the best person to help you. You might be saying, well, what does that mean? Well, for example, suppose that your counselor is making a diagnosis without proper evaluation. You say, what? I had a lady once call me in one of our live call-in programs, and she said, according to my counselor, my husband is a narcissist. I replied by saying, well, how many sessions did your counselor have with your husband before she made that diagnosis? She replied, oh, she's never met my husband. Now, let me make sure I understand this. Your counselor who has never, ever met your husband has diagnosed your husband as being a narcissist. Yes. I said, may I give you a piece of advice about your counselor? She said, what's that? I said, run. Run away. That is unethical. It is certainly not professional. Think about it. First of all, there are very, very few narcissists in the population. Very, very rare to have a person who is a true narcissist. Secondly, they have to be diagnosed over a period of time, not just by a certain behavior, because on any given day, any one of us might behave in a narcissistic way. What do I mean by that? I mean that we can be selfish, we can be arrogant, we can be not thoughtful of other people, and so we would call that a narcissistic tendency. Each of us can do that on any given day. But for her to listen to stories, first of all, secondhand from the wife about the husband to make that diagnosis means that this particular counselor either is poorly educated or lacks ethics.